Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 42. Serenity, self-restraint, austerity, purity, forgiveness, and also uprightness, knowledge, realization, belief in God are the duties of the Brahmanas born of their own nature.
Chapter 18, Shloka 42. Shamo damastapa shaucham shantir arjavam evacha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma swabhavajam.
See this Chapter 18, Shloka 42. Based on the four types of nature as determined by their mental makeup, there are four kinds of social living, each having a different function in society. The duties of a Brahman born out of his own predominantly sattvic nature is to cultivate 6 qualities for correct dealing with the outer world of objects and beings, and 3 more quality to control the spiritual life. These 6 qualities are serenity, sama, self-control, dhamma, austerity, tapas, purity, saucham, forbearance, kshanti, and straightforwardness, arjavam. Serenity is controlling the mind from running into the world of objects, seeking sense enjoyments. Self-control or dhamma is controlling the sense organs, which are the channels through which the world of stimuli enters into our mental zone to disturb the peace of our mind. A Brahmana is one who practices constantly both shama and dhamma, serenity and self-control. Austerity or tapas is conscious physical self-denial in order to economize the expenditure of energy spent in wrong channels of sense indulgence and conserve it for reaching the higher unfoldment within in meditation. The subjective process of economizing, conserving, and redirecting one's energy within is called tapas, and it is a Brahmana's duty to live in tapas. Purity, saucham, means external cleanliness, internal purity. A disciplined person cannot stand any disorderly confusion around him. It is the duty of Brahmana to keep himself clean and pure. Forbearance, kshanti, is to be patient and forgiving even wrongs done against one. It is the duty of a Brahmana not to harbor any hatred for anyone and maintain his equanimity. Uprightness, arjavam, is straightforward in his dealing and is not afraid of anyone. He makes no compromises of the higher calls. The other 3 are knowledge, jnanam, wisdom, vijnanam, and faith, astikyam. for controlling the spiritual life. Knowing Jnanam is theoretical knowledge of the world, the equipments of experience, their responses when contacting the world, of the highest goal of life, of the nature of the spirit and the scriptures. Wisdom, Vijnanam, is personal experience. Life lived, guided by the deep inner experience, is called wisdom. Knowledge can be imparted, but wisdom has to be found by oneself in himself. Faith, Astikyam, is the conviction, the intellectual honesty, and the subtle, steady enthusiasm gained after study and practice. To grow and steadily cultivate knowledge, wisdom, and faith are the sacred duties of a Brahmana in his spiritual life. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.